Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing Excel and the XML schema. Make sure you enable the Developer tab and open the XML source pane so mapping is available. Next, confirm your column headers exactly match the XML element names in the schema. This avoids mapping errors later. If you do not have an XSD file, create one that reflects the structure you need. Simple elements first, complex types later. Once done, import the XSD into Excel to populate the XML source list for mapping. You now map worksheet columns to XML elements and transform data where needed. Drag each header to its corresponding element in the XML source pane. If you have repeating rows, map them to a repeating element or wrapper node to preserve sequence. Use Excel formulas or helper columns to normalize dates, numbers, and enumerations so the XML validates against the schema. If you need nested structures, create helper ranges and map parent-child elements in the correct order to reflect the target hierarchy. You finish by exporting and verifying the XML file. Choose Developer, then Export, pick a file name, and save the mapped XML. After export, validate the XML against the original. XSD using Excel or an external validator to catch schema mismatches. If validation fails, inspect error messages, correct header names, adjust formats, or remove invalid characters, then remap and export again. One key troubleshooting tip: if elements are missing, check that the worksheet rows are within the mapped range and that headers exactly match element names.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.